Have you ever seen this incredibly elastic material? It's polyurea. This ultra-fast curing polymer, created from the reaction between isocyanate and a resin blend, is a true unsung hero of construction. In its grout form, polyurea is used to seal and repair cracks, voids, and joints in concrete or masonry. Its rapid application minimizes project interruptions while offering exceptional resistance to extreme conditions. With its remarkable adhesion and durability, it also protects against water and corrosion. So, when will this revolutionary material transform your projects?